Spain is one of the world's main tourist destinations. Each year, close to 60 million people visit its beaches, monuments, and sites to enjoy the sun and its culture, cuisine, and unique customs. But Spain is much more than all this. The telecommunications, renewable energy, aeronautics, infrastructure management, biotechnology, or fashion industries are just a sample of its internationally recognized competitiveness and efficiency. Just like in any advanced society, in Spain, one of the main social priorities and concerns is health and personal care and well-being. For this reason, the Spanish healthcare system, universal and free to all, is considered as one of the best in the world. Because Spain is much more than sun. It is a consolidated and reliable, constantly growing system with important technological and structural investments and professionals of the highest level. Today's health systems are aimed at achieving sustainable and efficient models, concentrated on the patient, and improved quality of life for all citizens. Health technology is a key factor in the sustainability of these systems. The health technology sector is an economic agent of enormous importance and one that responds to the stringent demands of the Spanish national health system. Over the last few years, the total turnover for this sector represents between 7.5% and 8% of the total healthcare budget and provides employment for more than 25,000 people. At the same time, it represents approximately 9% of the European health technology sector, a higher market share than the Spanish representation in other industrial sectors. And Spain is much more than art. One of the great contributions of the health technology industry to the Spanish economy is the important savings, direct and indirect, that innovation brings about in the system. Advances in health technology offer solutions to specific health problems. This is why the sector dedicates a large part of its income to R&D&I, incorporating new areas of knowledge such as nanotechnology, biotechnology, or information and communication technologies. At the same time, the direct relationship this industry has with quality of life means it must also offer a plus of safety and efficacy. For this reason, its products are manufactured in accordance with European legislation, CE marking, and rigorous European and international quality standards, EN and ISO. Apart from complying with European legislation for quality, the health technology products that are exported must comply with other demanding international certifications, such as those required by, to mention a few, the FDA, the CCC, or the CSA. And Spain is much more than bullfights. At present, in developed societies, the health market is undergoing constant expansion, with rising demands due to the aging of the population in these countries, the constant increase of life expectancy, the incorporation of innovative products and services that provide new solutions, and greater concern for caring about health and personal well-being. All these factors reinforce the structure of a potent health sector, one in which the health technology industry is one of the main driving forces behind public and private systems. In 1977, the companies in this sector created FENIN, the Spanish Federation of Healthcare Technology Companies. Its mission is to coordinate and defend their general interests and represent them before regional, national, and European authorities. In a globalized world, FENIN is a member of the main European associations in this sector. FENIN has more than 500 members, companies and manufacturers associations, importers and distributors of technology and healthcare products, whose common characteristic is that they are suppliers of the healthcare system. And Spain is much more than flamenco. FENIN members represent 80% of the volume of this sector in Spain, making the Federation an excellent representative in all public forums as a valid spokesperson in defense of the interests of the health technology industry. In 1996, FENIN created the international area to provide support and promote the foreign activity of Spanish manufacturers in the following sectors: electromedicine, equipment and products for in vitro diagnosis, hospital furniture, products for single use, orthopedics and rehabilitation, implants, dental material, ambulances and emergency equipment, medical information technology, sterilization and healthcare hygiene, optics and ophthalmology. And Spain is much more than monuments. In its task of supporting the internationalization of Spanish health technology manufacturers, FENIN actively collaborates with agencies and institutions for promoting foreign trade. Together, they work to consolidate the image of Spain as a country producing industrial goods with a high technological content and promote the offer of products and services from Spanish companies in the health technology sector. Among the internationalization formulas most often used by companies in this sector are initiatives such as participation in projects of the 7th Framework Program of the European Union, the Eureka and Iberoic initiatives, international collaboration for technology transfer, implementation of foreign subsidiaries, and joint ventures with local companies. In the field of international cooperation, Spanish health technology companies participate in projects financed by multilateral organizations whose object is to aid developing countries in the construction of hospitals and improving their health systems. Because Spain is much more than wine. Since its creation and as part of the development of its promotional activities abroad, FENIN has provided support to more than 300 companies and year after year steadily increased the number of actions it takes in this field. Spanish manufacturers are present at the most important international fairs for this sector: Medica, Arab Health, Hospitalar, CMEF, and Hospimedica Asia, among others. Furthermore, Spanish manufacturers participate in numerous FENIN-organized trade missions to more than 30 countries each year. Because Spain is much more than literature. Spanish health technology manufacturers export more than 30% of their production. This volume has increased by 11% annually over the last few years, above normal growth in sales. 70% of these exports are destined for the European Union, which has become a second domestic market for many Spanish companies. And Spain is much more than music. Spanish health technology products are also present in countries such as the United States, Canada, and Japan, an indication of the high degree of competitiveness of the Spanish industry. Spanish companies are also very well positioned in Eastern European countries, Southeast Asia, North Africa, and the Middle East. As they are European products, manufactured and certified by strict quality standards, and having excellent value for the money, Spanish health technology products have a very good image. The Spanish health technology sector has become a very attractive alternative for people searching international markets for products and services of the most demanding European manufacture. With all the guarantees of quality, safety, and efficacy, as well as at really competitive prices. Spain is much more. Spain is healthcare technology. Smart caring.